So hi all, welcome to another problem by Leetcode. In this problem we will see problem 1393, that is capital gain slash loss. This is a medium type problem. In this problem we have a table known as stocks, in which the stock name and the operation day is the primary key of this particular table. The operation column is an enum category of type sell and buy. Each row of this table indicates that the stock which has the stock name had an operation on the day operation_day with the price. It is guaranteed that each sell operation for a stock has a corresponding buy operation in a previous day. It is also guaranteed that each buy operation for a stock has a corresponding sell operation in an upcoming day. Write a solution to the report to report the capital gain slash loss for each stock. The capital gain slash loss of a stock is total gain or loss after buying and selling the stock one or many times. Return the result in any order. So in this particular table, right, we have this buy operation for a particular stock and we have this sell operation for this particular stock, right? So simply what we need to do, we need to find out the capital gain and loss. So what will be capital gain and loss? We need to just add all the sell and we will subtract it by the buy for a particular stock name. And this operation day, it is not required. Okay, it is not actually useful in this particular problem. Okay, so we will ignore this one. Okay, so simply what we need to do, we need to first go ahead and we need to calculate the sum of the prices for a particular stock name, right? If it is sell, then we will make this price as positive. If this is buy, then we will make this price as negative. Okay, so let us go ahead and do that. So first we will say select, and then we will use a case statement. Case when the operation is equals to, if it is buy, then we are going to multiply the price with -1. Okay, and else if it is sell, then we are just going to return the price and we are going to end this particular operation will give us the actual amount. So buy, it is minus of this particular price, and sell will be the positive value of the price, and we will say this is your price or prices. Let's say prices. Okay, and along with this I'm also going to populate the show the stock name as well. Okay, from the stocks table, correct, from the stocks table. So let us go ahead and let us do this. What it is saying as prices, stock_name, okay, case when it is okay. Now if I go down, you will just see that all the prices are now in proper order, right, in proper in their proper value. So if it is buy, it is minus. If it is sell, then it is positive, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to store this in a temporary table. Okay, and here what I will do, I'm going to simply select the stock name and I'm going to sum the prices as, and the alias is capital gain loss as capital _gain _loss from the temp table. Now I need to find out the prices, but obviously I need to group them by the stock name, right? So I will simply apply the group by and then stock_name. I think this should work. Okay, this is accepted. Let us submit the code. Okay, so this has the runtime of 519 millisecond and it beats 56.13%. So it is an efficient solution. So this was a pretty easy problem. Okay, so I hope if you really like this solution, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.